It's day 4 of our camp at the Mpala River Camp, and I'm with Jedidah Njoki. She's a teacher from one of the local schools called Olgirgir.
Olgirgir Primary.
Olgirgir Primary. Jedidah, tell me about your Wildlife Warriors Club. What have you done that really stood out, that got you a place on this expedition?
Our club has done marvelous. When we went for the seminar, we were asked to do some project like money generating project, which we can be able to empower our pupils to do something else apart from destroying the environment. So when we went back to school, we requested our Wildlife Warriors Club, they are 53, to contribute each 20 shillings. After contribution, we managed to buy 4 packets of unga, of wheat flour, whereby we cooked some mandazi. Those mandazi we sold to the teachers and some parents and the pupils. The money we got, we managed to buy some indigenous trees, because I know very well that the indigenous trees, they are very much, they are very good in the environment, because their flowers, their flowers and a scent attracts bee, so that we can be able to start a project of beekeeping. So the rest of the money we managed to buy drought-resistant crops, whereby we planted and they did very well.
Which kind of crops?
We planted cassava, sweet potato vines, Irish potato, maize, sorghum, millets, and pumpkins, and they did very well. So after when they matured, we started selling to the teachers some whatever vegetables like kundes, like sukuma wiki they used to buy. So earning some money from there. And after that money we got, we started adding more indigenous trees. They are more expensive, not like the exotic trees.
So how many trees have you planted?
They are about 300.
That's
they are 300, and we don't want to plant the softwood because they are not friendly to the insects. So they have some traces of petroleum. So we thought that when we planted most of those softwoods, they are going to discourage most pests, especially bees. But those indigenous, they are very friendly to the environment.
That's great.
And also, we started a bird sanctuary, whereby we used to purchase 1 kilogram of rice and pour in the morning and distribute in the morning, so that birds they used to come. Many types of species of birds.
That's wonderful.
They used to come.
That's wonderful.
That we can go to attract many people from the school, that they can be interested and try to do the same at home. Those wildlife warriors, every child has a small shamba in their home.
Oh, a garden.
Yes,
that's nice.
Yes, everybody. So that we can empower our parents, not to get other economic activity apart from sad harvesting, which is leading to land degradation, poaching bushmeat. Instead of poaching bushmeat, they can do something else like farming food resistant crops or whatever. Drought resistant crops, which do very well, and they can do very well in arid areas.
So how did you enjoy the camp? And we're all packed up now, we're about to go. How did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it very much, interacting with the people from different areas who had very different stories about what is going on in their area, the environment, the types of wildlife in their areas, the plants, the insects, etc. And also pupils. They've really interacted with our pupils, and they are giving very good stories about the expedition. They've learned a lot. For example, they are telling me when we go back to school, we are going to start as another small project of growing hay, because they are livestock keepers. Most of the time they are livestock keepers. So when we plant hay, as a small piece of hay, we are going to encourage our parents to start planting hay, because hay does not require a lot of rainfall, and then meaning that their cows produce very little milk. But if they feed on hay, they'll be able to produce much milk, and that milk can be another source of income.
Very good.
Yeah, so that they can be able to take their children to high school, etc.
That's fantastic. One of your students talked about seeing elephants for the first time.
Yeah, that is very true.
She was so excited.
Very excited. And even she said they are going to write an essay about elephants, friendly elephants.
I look forward to reading it. Thank you so much, Njoki. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
All right,
I'm very
bye.
happy for your expedition. I hope we have another one, because we are going to come up with many other projects to discourage poaching, sad harvesting, and also burning, charcoal burning. Instead, we come up with other projects which are very friendly to the environment.
Great.
Very grateful.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay.